How to add music to an Instagram post with multiple photos. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Instagram tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music to a multiple photos post on Instagram. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel because that really helps me out. All right, so to get started with adding music to an Instagram post with multiple photos, the first thing we need to do is create a new post by selecting the plus symbol in the bottom menu. Then simply select multiple photos by selecting the icon to the left of the camera icon with the multiple boxes. This will allow us to select multiple photos on Instagram. Once you've selected your multiple photos, select next. And then here is where we can change the filter for the images, but we can also select the music icon at the top of the screen. Select the song we want to add to our post. Then we can change the clip duration and the portion of the song by just sliding on the song right here. Once you're ready, select Done in the top right, then Next. Now we can add a caption and then select Share in the top right to post our Instagram post that includes music. All right, so that's how you add music to an Instagram post with multiple photos. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Instagram tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.